X is the number such as in n trial. If you find have n and we have p and p, it is a binomial distribution. If you see in question have a n and p, it is a binomial distribution. Okay, the mean is np and variance is np times q. Okay, the second is geometry distribution. If you see geometry distribution is x is the number of trial until the first. If you find the first, this one is the first, such as first. The keyword is the first. It is geometry distribution. X is the number of trial. X is start from 1 to 3 until infinity, and mean is 1 divided by p and variance 1 minus p divided by p power 2. Okay, after that is negative binomial. Negative binomial, if you see find the RTS, RTS was for example second, third, fourth, and so on. Or RTS, it is binomial distribution. For this one, don't have n, and x is the number of trial. Okay, x is start from r plus 1, r plus 2, and until infinity for this one. Mean is equal r divided p and variance r q divided p equals the power 2. Okay, the hypergeometry is almost binomial for this one. X is the number of trial until hypergeometry. X is the number such as in n trial. If you see this one is same for this one, number such as in the n trial same. The difference is for hypergeometry have n population and population, and k the number of suches. Okay, the formula is this one. You can read this one is the formula. Okay, this one. Okay, we look the question. We look the question. Try determine whether the question is binomial, geometry, negative binomial, or hypergeometry. Okay, looks the question. I think I already give you this exercise binomial, geometry, and negative binomial. Okay, try determine which for this one. Okay, the number 1A. The number 1A. Alia missed her third free throw on its fifth shot. What is the distribution? Number A. Okay, number A. What is the distribution? If you see P is given, for this one, P is given. P is 0.7. This one, or 70%. 0.7. This one P. Okay, what is the distribution? Number A. Apa nama dia? What is the distribution?
Negative binomial.
Negative binomial. Why you know this negative binomial? What is the keyword?
Third free throw.
The third, if you see this one, the third, third this one is negative binomial. Okay, the number B. Number B. What is the distribution?
Binomial.
Binomial. If binomial, you must know the value of n. Okay, if you this one is binomial, what is the value n? N is not given for this one, and n is not given. Okay, what is the distribution? Binomial is wrong.
Geometry.
Geometry. Okay, for this one geometry, you can using geometry or negative binomial. It is same, this one same. R is equal 1. For this one is R. Okay, for this one, third is x is equal, R is 3, and x is equal 5. This one same. Okay, number 2. Okay, quality. Try tengok this one. After that, okay. So quality insurance. Okay. The mean is given. The mean is given for this one. Non-conforming, this rejects. Okay, for this one is given.
Kawan saya masih ada kat luar lagi.
Biarkan dapat luar. Okay, assume the number of non-conforming follow normal. Okay, for this one is given binomial distribution. Okay, looks at the number 3. Okay, number 3. Okay, Petronas Oil Company conducts a geological study that indicate an exploratory oil well should have 30% chance of striking oil. This one is P is given. P is given. Okay, Petronas Company drill 18 well. What is the probability at least 5 of the well yield oil? Okay, what is the distribution for this one? Number 3A. Okay, binomial is okay. Okay, number B. Number B. Okay, negative binomial. Negative binomial. If you find the keyword is third, fifth, this one is negative binomial. Negative binomial. Okay, number 4.
Sir, yang question yang B itu geometri pun boleh juga.
Yang mana? Yang ni tak boleh geometri. Geometri kalau it is one, it is okay.
Oh.
Geometri just for one strike it is okay. For example, dia tak boleh lah. R is equal 1. Geometry is R equal 1. Geometry. If R greater or equal this one, greater or 1, it is negative binomial. Okay, number 4. Okay, quality control, competence. Okay, number 4. Okay, what is the distribution for A1?
Binomial.
Okay, binomial. Okay, what you know binomial?
3 or more chips.
3 over 6. 3 over 6.
3 or more chips.
2 or more 6, this one. Okay, because n is given, for this one, n is given. This one is n. N is given, we must using binomial. This one same binomial. Okay, number B. Number B, what is this distribution? Okay, negative binomial. Negative binomial. Okay, for number B, what is the value x? What is the value x? Number B, what is the value x? X, what is the value R? Okay, x is 9, R is equal 4. 4. Okay, number 5. Okay, for this one, it is given 5. The box are render selected. What is the value? Okay, number 5A. 5A, what is the distribution?
Geometry.
Okay, geometry. Geometry. Geometry is wrong. Okay, negative binomial wrong. Hypergeometry pun salah. Hypergeometry must have n capital N.
Binomial.
Binomial. The first is binomial. Okay, number B. Number B. Okay, still binomial. Okay, number B binomial. Okay, number 6. Number 6. P is given. P is 10%. What is the probability that third non-defective engine will found on the fifth trial? Okay. Okay, negative binomial is okay. Okay, number B. B bersama B sama and B. And negative binomial. Okay, third non-defective is value R, R, this one is R, 3, and this one fifth pada 5, This one before 5, before or on. Okay, number 8. Okay, number 8. Okay, number 8. Okay, number 8, what is the distribution? Small L. Or 12, and N is small. Okay, what is the value K? K. Okay, pandai Najwa ni. K 12 K kita 12. Tengok dia punya defective this one defective, this one is okay, X tak ada. Okay, value, what is value X? Nak 8 8. Okay, number 10. Number 10. Okay, what is the value? Okay, this is the same for this one, hypergeometry. Okay, what is the value capital N? Capital N. Okay, 20. Okay, what is the smaller n? Small n. Okay, 5. Okay, what is the value K? K. Okay, K8, okay, 8. And what is the value X? At least 1, at least 1. This one X, the question, the X, the question is X. X is less, at least 1. Okay, the last one. Okay, same as this one. Okay, what is the value capital N? Capital N. Okay, N 200. Okay, what is the value? Value apa lagi ni? Small n. Okay, 5. Okay, what is the value K? Okay, K nak 6. Okay, what is X? What is value X? Okay, X is 1. X is 1. Okay, number 2. This one 4. Okay, kita bagi seorang sikit yang ni try kita cuba buat nanti kalau tak dapat kita bincang sama-sama. Okay, Zahin ada Zahin. Okay, Zahin ada tak Zahin? Okay, Zahin.
Ada.
Okay, Zahin try number 1 Zahin.
Nombor 1.
Okay, number
A
1.
dengan B sir.
AB boleh lah. Okay, Zahin AB. Okay, number 2 power juga ni tak ni. Siapa boleh buat ni? Okay, James. Ada James. Okay, James. Okay, James number 1. Fungsi sama kawanan ni. Tak apa dah. Okay, Roger ada Richard. Roger.
Roger. Ada sir, tapi tak sure kalau
tak apa. Ni jawapan ada. Pastikan dapat jawapan. Answer, I given the answer, this one. Try find the answer. Okay, number 3. Okay, Irsha ada Irsha. Irsha. Irsha tak ada. Irsha tak ada. Okay, number Syafiq ada Syafiq. Ni kalau tak ada saya remove kalau saya panggil tak ada saya remove tau. Kira dia memang tak datang lah ni. Okay, Syafiq ada tak Syafiq Aiman?
Ada.
Okay, Syafiq nombor 3. Okay, Fakrul Amin. Fakrul Amin. Fakrul Amin ada tak? Fakrul Amin tak ada. Hazim ada Hazim. Hazim Haskam.
Ya, saya.
Okey, Azim nombor 3B.
Okey.
Okey, kita tengok nombor ni. Okey, ni senang je. Okey, nombor 4, nombor 4. Muhammad Daniel ada?
Ya, saya ada.
Okey, Daniel ni nombor 4 Dewan ni sama je lah ni.
Alright.
Okey. Okey, number B. Khairul Fitri. Khairul Fitri ada? Khairul Fitri ada? Khairul Fitri ada? Tak ada, Khairul. Tak ada. Saya remove lah nama ni. Lepas tu tak boleh masuk lagi ni. Fahmi Firdaus ada? Fahmi Firdaus. Okey, Fahmi nombor B, 4B. Okey, nombor mana? Okey, nombor 5 5 kita sampai 5 kita stop lepas tu kita tu. Elizabeth ada, Elizabeth Banan. Elizabeth tak ada. Elizabeth tak ada.
Ada, sir.
Okey, Elizabeth 5A Elizabeth. Okey, Lita ada Lita. Lita.
Yes, sir.
Okey, B. Okey, Lita. Okey, yang lain tengok dulu kita tengok sampai nombor 5. Lepas tu kita tengok yang lain kita kemudian Next, number 2, number 5. Number 2 and number 5 still. Not yet there. Number 4 is okay. Number 1 I have. Number 3, okay. Number 2 and number 5. Okay, next, number 2, number 5. Okay, Lalita, 5B, already done. Okay, 5B, okay. 5A, what's the value 5A? A and number 2. Okay, look at the answer from number 1 from your friend. Okay, number 1 is okay. Number 1 is no problem. Okay, using negative binomial. For this one, P is 0.27, Q is 0.3. For this one, X is 5, R is 3. It is okay. Just using formula, we can get the answer 0.1852. Okay, number 2, for X is equal 1, we can get the answer is 0.00587. Okay, for this one, we can get 3. This one is 2. And 5 mark. Okay, this one okay. Number 1, number 2, number 2 still not finished. Okay, number 3. Okay, number 3 is not clear. Siapa buat ni? Tengok number 3. What's okay? Number 3. Number 3, Petro Anis. Okay, N is given. Okay. Okay, number 3, number 3A, we want this binomial distribution and it's 18, and we want to find at least pi. For this one, you can using the table. If you have the table, you can look at the table straightforward, and it's 18 and P at least as less than at least greater and okay, at least greater or equal 5. It is equal 1 minus P as less or equal 4. For N, for this one, N 18 and P is 0.3. And if you have the table, you can look at the table. And make sure you have the table before test. Before test, you must have on your table. Okay, looks N is 18 from the table, straightforward. We can get this one, and 3, this one 4. Okay, from the table it is 1 minus 0.3327. Okay, the answer is 0.6673. If you see Syafiq answer, it is not clear. Answer Syafiq is not clear. Syafiq is okay. He do one by one. It is using calculation. This one. The lastly, he just how to find this one not clear. This one you have two answers, but the answer is wrong. This one.
Ya,
Is
itu saya ni tambah 5.
mana Syafiq jawapan betul ni? 534
Yang tu yang sama tu. Tidak potong.
yang itu cara kira tak betul ni. Okey. Kerana buat if you want to do manually, you must calculate x greater or equal 5. Banyaknya nak kira ni. Jadi biasanya normally we can use it straightforward using table from the table. Okay, looks at figure 3B, figure B. Okay, 3B, okay, this one, okay, S is 5, okay, R is 3, P 0.5, okay, we can get 3 marks, okay. Okay, number 4, quality, N is 20, okay, number 4, N is 20, okay, P is 0.1, okay, from here you can straightforward using the table, 3 marks. Okay, normally this one is 2 marks. Okay, this one, okay. Number 4B. Okay, 4B. Okay, what is the probability? 9 chip selected is spot. Okay, fail. Okay, this straightforward using P. This one, okay. We can get the answer 0.00. Okay. Okay, after that, we look at the number 5. Number 5A. Okay, 5A, you can look at your friend. Apa nama kawan awak? Okay, 5A. Okay, N is 5. Okay, P, Y greater or equal 1, it is equal. P S less than 0, less or equal 0, it is equal 0.4437. P is 0.15. Okay, James, number 2A. Okay, 2A. Okay, 2A, N is 30. Okay, mean is given is 3. And number A, we must find the value P. Mu is equal N times P, it is equal 3, it is equal N divide P. We can get P is equal 0.1. Okay, the question is greater or equal to. Okay, for this one, cannot using a normal distribution. For this one is not. This one is not normal distribution. We can straightforward. It is equal. Okay, James, your answer is wrong. This one, straightforward for this one using the table. It is equal 1 minus P S equal 1. And looks from the table, N is 30 and P is 0.1. P is 0.1. P 0.1, we can get the answer is equal. If you have the table, you can look the table. 1 is 1837. Okay, looks at the number 2B, 2B. And those, okay, this one, your answer is, okay, let's look the number 2B. Okay, the number 2B, a batch is rejected if at least 2 coil spring in the batch are non-conforming. Okay, what is the probability that the fifth batch checked by the officer is the second batch that is rejected? Okay, for this one is looks you must cannot using P. If you see this one P from the question, we can get P is 0.1. Okay, number B, the P is based on this one. P is based on this question. B, okay, B is based on this question. If you see the this one, it is same with the question number A. It is same with the question number A. A batch is rejected if at least 2. For this one, same. What is the probability that the found at least 2 coil spring are non-conforming? The same, non-conforming. Jadi, for this one, you must using P. This one P. This one P, yeah, you must using P this one. After you find P this one 0.8193, you can solve this problem using, for this one is using negative binomial. Negative binomial. Okay, for this one X, what is the value X? The probability that the fifth batch checked by the officer is the second batch. Okay, X is equal. What is the value X? Okay, number 2B. What is the value X? What is the value R? What is the value R?
5.
X is 5. X is 5.
Oh, X5.
R is equal
Not sure, doctor.
2. 2. Okay, try this one. Using P is this one. P using 0.1893. If you're using P 0.1, it is wrong. Using P is this one. Using this one. Okay, P S is equal 5. It is equal, the formula is 4, 1, P 0.11 power R. R is equal to 0.1837 power X to R. R 3, this one 3. Okay, try calculate that. Same or not the answer?
It's the same, doctor. 0.165.
The answer same. Okay. This question number 2B, it is equal the question number 5. If you see number 5, it is almost it is like this one. The how to find the probability. It is normally using P from here. Using P from here. P you get here the 0.443. After that, using to solve the number B. The number B. If you see this one is only non-defective, this one is non-defective. Same, this you must using same non-defective component using this information. Okay, okay, this one is okay. Okay, try the number this one. Okay, try number. Okay, we have try number. This one negative hypergeometry. We discussed about hypergeometry. The question about hypergeometry. Okay, I just select two questions. Okay, try number 10 and 11. Number 10 and 11. This one is hypergeometry question. Okay, siang ada siang Wenkin. Okay, siang this question. Number 10. Okay, number 11. Royan Ibrahim ada. Royan Ibrahim. Not here, Royan Ibrahim. Okay, Yu Ki Ming. Okay, you this one. You ada you. Okay, you okay this one. Okay, number B. Nabila Najwa.
Ada.
Okay, Nabila nama ni. Number okay, last.
Okay.
Okay, kita tengok je lah. Okay, 16 okay, number 11 is okay. You and Nabila is already done. Okay, number 1, okay, this one A, P, X is equal 1. Okay, N is 2000, 200. It is 9. Okay, and we can just using the formula. It is equal. Okay, using formula. It is equal 0.13 point. Okay, number B, okay, mean it is equal N times P. P it is equal K, K divided by N. Okay, from here we can get the answer. It is equal. Okay, N is equal, but okay, from here we can get the answer 0.12. Okay, finish. Okay, the number 1, number A. Okay, for this one, we want to find what is the value. Okay, greater than 1. Okay, we have two answer. The question 1, we want to find X greater than or equal 1. It is equal 1 minus P as less or equal 0. Using formula. Okay, we can get the answer 948%. Okay, the variance is using formula. It is equal pi 0.4 times 0.6 times 15 divided by 19. Okay, it is equal 0. Okay, this one okay. Finish. I think no problem about hypergeometry. Okay, today we go to Poisson distribution, Poisson and exponential distribution. Okay, you can take the note. This one note. Okay, the exercise. You can find the exercise. Okay. Okay, we try do together. Okay, for this one. Okay, the number 1. Looks the number 1. Number 1A. Number 1. What write down the probability density function for X. For X. For this one, what is the distribution for X? Apa dia punya tu? Apa jawapan tu buat dia tu answer? Okay, if you find this one, okay, okay, for this question, we want to find what is the probability density function for X. You must write like this one. For this one, if X is a hypergeometry, okay, for example, for this one, if X is binomial, you must write X is binomial and P like this one. The answer is like this one. For this one, X when you have geometry, X is geometry, follow geometry. The parameters is the parameter is R and P. R for this one is 1, P is a P, this one. Or it is we can write like geometry P. Just write P. Okay, for negative binomial, S is follow negative binomial RP. This is the okay RP. Okay, for hypergeometry, S follow hypergeometry. Okay, we have N, and K. And K. We have N and K. Okay, for Poisson distribution, it is same as is follow Poisson. Poisson, this is just using lambda. S is follow lambda. For exponential, exponential same, exponential same with Poisson. S follow exponential. This is just using lambda, using lambda. Okay, for this question, number this one. Okay, number one, write down the probability density function. You must write like just using the answer like this one. S follow. This one is exponential lambda. What is the value lambda? What is the value lambda? Berapa nilai lambda?
60.
60 di sini.
60.
60 salah 60 ni nilai mi untuk for exponential this one is nilai mu this mu. Mu is 60. What is the value lambda? What is the value lambda? Looks the formula for exponential the value of mean. How to find the mean for exponential? Apa dia punya rumus? Dapatkan mean lambda. What is the value lambda?
1/60.
1/60. Okay. Don't forget that this one mu is equal 1 divided by lambda. Lambda is equal 1 minus mu. The answer is exponential. Satu bagi 60. The answer is this one. If it is correct, you can get 1 mark. Dia senang je, tapi kalau tak tahu memang tak tahu. The answer lies this one. Kalau write down the probability, you must like this one. S follow exponential lambda. You find what is the value lambda. After you get this one, I give you 1 mark. Okay, this one is straightforward. This one, okay, this one calculate the probability x less. It is less. X less equal 65. Okay, for this one is just using exponential. Exponential. It is equal 1 minus e negative lambda x. Lambda it is equal 1 minus lambda is equals 1/60. X is 60, and we can get 56. Divide by 60. Okay, you can calculate. Okay, the number B. Okay, the number B. Okay, the number B is memoryless. Less formula. I think more less. Okay, which one is already occur? Which one is already occur? X. This one is greater. What is okay, which one is the already occur?
11.
Okay, 11. Okay, for this one. Okay, keyword this one is within greater or less? Within the next 5 minutes.
Less.
Less. Jadi you must using less 11 plus 5. Okay, if you see the formula is when less, this one is when less, this one is less. Same. This one less. That's what is the value here.
5.
5. Okay. Okay, it is equal. Okay, 1 minus e lambda s. What is the value lambda? What is the value lambda? Okay, lambda. What is the value lambda? Look here, exponential distribution with a mean time 11 minutes. Okay, what is the value lambda? Okay, what is the value lambda? Okay, 1/11, 1/11. Okay, it is equal 1 minus e tolak dengan 1/11 times SS is pi. Pi divided by okay, if you calculate, we can get the same answer, 3653. Okay, this one is okay. Okay, the number B. Okay, the number B. Okay, the time arrival bus. Okay, what is the distribution number 1? Okay, this one is number 1, this one is number 2, and this one is number 3. Okay, what is the distribution number 1?
Poisson.
Poisson. Okay, why you know Poisson?
1 hour. Probability. Wait. Longer than 1 hour.
Poisson or exponential? This one, number 1. Poisson or distribution? Okay, apa soalan jawapan ni?
Exponential betul.
Exponential look kalau bilangan is the number you must using Poisson. This one is hours. Bila masa when time we must using exponential. Okay, this one longer, what is meant with longer than 1 hour? Greater ataupun lebih besar? Kecil atau lebih besar?
More.
This one more. S more than 1 hours. Kalau tengok this one is minute So, okay, what is the value lambda? Lambda is very important lambda. What is the value lambda? Lambda. Okay, Ahmad, berapa lambda?
1/15.
1/15 and okay, this one is 15. Okay, for this one is hours this one hours. Kena ubah change hours. Hours jadi kena samakan. Okay, it is equal P as greater than, kalau 1 hours, 4 minute. 1 minute?
60 minutes.
60 minutes. Okay, this is 60 minutes. It is equal, if greater, it is equal, you just triple what is minus lambda, tambah 60 bagi 15 It is equal is minus 4 The answer is 0. Okay, dan kalau kira jawapan sama 0.0183. Okay, number 2. Okay, number 2 kalau tengok already done this one already waiting Okay, tengok. Okay, mana yang telah berlaku? What is the already done? P X greater than
60
kita dapat
minutes. 60.
60 1 hour for this one 1 hour, this one is minute you must using same unit greater. Okay, the next wait the next lebih besar lebih kecil, greater or small?
Less.
Less. Ini sama dengan atas it is almost same 60 plus 15 60 plus 15 it is equal PS then 15 it is equal 1 minus E minus lambda is equal 1/15 we can get this one 1 it is equal 0. Okay, number 3. Okay, determine T such that the probability that passenger wait less than T minutes is 0.5 for this one. Okay, how to write the mathematical for this one. Okay, we want to find the determining the value T, the probability that the passenger wait less than T minutes is 0.5. Okay, what is the mathematical for this one? P Okay, what is symbol? P. Okay, lagi-lagi apa ni? Okay, X less than less than less than less kurang daripada T unit, it is equal 0.45. Okay, for this one, exponential or Poisson distribution? Exponential or Poisson? Okay, exponential. Why exponential?
Do you mean it?
Time because we time, bila time kita gunakan exponential. Okay, what is the formula? S less than T for formula? What is the formula? The formula?
Exponent negative.
Macam mana? 1 exponent terus. Ini less. Lambda still same. Lambda is still same. Lambda is 1 over 15. It is the same question. And look, this one is exponential. The formula, when less, it is equal 1 minus E minus lambda T. Lambda T is equal 0.5. Okay, E lambda is 1 over 15. It is equal E minus T over 15. It is equal 0.5. Okay, you can calculate, you can solve this one. We can get T. Okay, T it is equal, what is it? We can get T 0.4. Okay, the number 3. Okay, the number 3. What is this distribution? Number 3.
Poisson.
Poisson. Poisson sebab dia nyatakan Poisson. Dia nyatakan Poisson. Okay, what is the value lambda? Berapa nilai lambda?
2.7.
2.7 this one tak bukan mu this one 2.7 tak payah tu sebab dia ni adalah Poisson when Poisson mu is equal lambda is equal variance Poisson. Okay, time, what is the time for 1 hours for 1 hours, and this one from 9 to 10. Okay, during a given set hours, what are the probability that more than 4? This one is straightforward. More than 4. Okay, it is equal 1 minus P S equal 4 or 3?
4.
Okay, 4. This one 4. Okay, you can find the probability from the table. Looks lambda is 2.7. After that, looks T is equal 4. We can get the answer. 2.7 number 4, the answer number 5. It is equal if you 8, 6, 2, 9, we can get the answer is same 1371. Okay, the number 4. Okay, the number 4, the time between detection of a particle with an electrical contact is exponential distribution, which means 1.4. What is the variance of the time? Okay, dia nak dapatkan variance. Okay, for this one is it is already dah nyatakan it is exponential distribution, which mean 1.4. Okay, what is the value lambda? Lambda berapa dapat? What is the value lambda? Okay, make sure kalau exponential dia punya formula 1 over mu 1 bagi 1.4. Okay, how to find variance? What is the formula variance for exponential? Apa formula dia?
1 over lambda square.
1 over lambda square. Variance is equal 1 over lambda square. Okay, kita lalu masukkan, kita akan dapat 1.4 power 2. It is 1.96. Okay, number B. Okay, suppose we turn, okay, the question same, within the next 30 seconds. Okay, for this one is same. The important, you must seragamkan the unit is minute, this one is the second. The unit must same. Okay, which the already occur, probability that already occur, S greater than already occur.
Three minutes.
Okay, 3 minutes. Okay, for this one, X less or greater, within the next.
Less.
Less. Okay, this one same. Okay, 30 seconds. How many?
0.5 minute.
0.5 minute. Okay, what is the formula for here? It is equal to P less or greater?
Less.
Less than 0.5. Okay, it is 0.303. It is equal 1 minus E minus lambda S. Yeah, masukkan nilai, we can get the answer 0.33 also. Okay, this one is Poisson. Okay, we try this one. Okay, tak banyak lagi kita cuba habiskan ya. Lepas tu, okay, the number ticket or issue by a meter reader for parking violation can be modeled by Poisson. This one is Poisson. Okay, rate parameter is 5 per hour. 5 dalam. This one, what is the value lambda?
5.
5, lambda is 5. Masa dia 1 hour. Per hours is mean 1 hour. 5 is in 1 hour. Okay, the question, what is the probability that at least, okay, what is the symbol at least?
Less.
Less at least.
More than equal.
More equal 4 is in during 30 minutes. Okay, what is the value lambda? This one 1 hour 5. 30 minutes. Okay, 2.5. 2.5. Okay, looks from the table. What is okay? It is equal 1 minus P S less or equal 3 or 4. 3 or 4. 4. 4 salah 3
3.
Mak kena belajar balik ni. Kalau tengok ni, the looks from the table 2.5 lambda 3 Okay, make sure the answer is 24. Okay, this one, the number B. How many tickets do you expect to issue during 45 minutes? Okay, expected. What is the expected? This one, expected. Apa kita nak cari? What do we want to find? Expected. Okay, mean. Okay, this when you can word expected, it is equal mean. Mean. Okay, what is the value mean? 45 minutes. 1 hour is 5 when 45 minutes. 15 dapat 15. 15. 45 minit. 3.75 Jawapan ada jawapan 3.75. You can try find what is the answer. Okay, number 6. Okay, the operator of the pumping station has observed that demand for water during early afternoon has approximately exponential distribution with mean 100 CFS. CFS is mean cubic feet per second. Cubic. This one exponential, this one exponential. Okay, what is the below lambda? Okay, lambda. Lambda is very important for this one. Okay, what is the below lambda?
1.
Okay, 0.01, 0.01. It is equal 1 divided by 100. Okay, number A. Find the probability that the demand will exceed 200. This one. You see the unit same, CFS. This one is CFS. It is using exponential. Okay, this one exceed P exceed 200. It is equal. When greater, it is equal E minus lambda x. It is equal E lambda is 1 over 100. X is over x is equal 200. 200 bagi dengan 100. And we can get the answer is 0.1353. 0.353. Okay, number B. Okay, what is the mathematical for B, num B? Okay, what is the probability? What is the this one? Mathematical this one. Okay, apa matematik dia ni? For this one, water pumping capacity, this one, capacity. Okay, capacity, this one, exceed capacity, exceed. Okay, X. What is the symbol exceed? Exceed. What is the Okay, Roger, what is the exit?
More.
Okay, more, more. Okay, this one is not given. We can put any to for this one. I just put C, capacity C. We want to find what is the value C. Okay, it is 0. It is equal 0.01. Okay. Okay, for this one is exponential distribution. What is the formula? Apa formula that this one? It's greater C.
Exponential.
Exponential. It is equal A exponential minus what is
Lambda x.
Lambda x. This one C. And when you use this, we want to find the value C. Lambda C. It is equal 0.01. Kalau gunakan the symbol is greater, the greater you can straightforward like this one. Kalau if less, it is using 1 minus. Kalau less, we can using less 1 minus. Kalau less, if you less, this one symbol less, it is equal 1 minus. Kalau greater, you just straightforward lambda. Kalau greater, you using E minus lambda x. Okay, lambda it is equal lambda. What is the value lambda? 1 over 0.01. Okay, try okay, this one. It is equal E 0.01 C. It is equal 0.01. How to find? How to solve this one? Nak selesaikan? How to solve?
Move E to the other side, become ln, and then move lambda, negative lambda to the other side.
Okay, okay, time ln, time ln both sides. We can get this one negative 0.01 C. It is equal ln 0.01. Okay, C it is equal. Try calculate ln 0.01. Berapa nilai ln 0.01?
Negative 4.6051.
Okay. Negative 0.
4.60.
Oh, 4 point. Okay, 4 point. Negative 4.60. divide by 0.01, we can get the answer same, 460.5. Okay, number 7, team is okay. Okay, number 7. The time in minutes of failure of component after starting trial is exponential. Okay, dia nyatakan is the exponential. The mean is 20. Okay, what is the value lambda? What is the value lambda?
1/20.
1/20. Okay, the number 1. What is the probability that the lifetime component is more than 30 minutes? 30 minutes. When you see the unit is minute, we must use it exponential. It is more than. Okay, this unit same. This 30 minutes. This one 30 minutes. Okay, for this one is straightforward. P S greater than 30 minutes. It is equal A minus 30 divided by 20. Okay, the answer is 0.2231. Okay, the number B. Okay, okay, try look say what is the mathematical. Cuba buat dulu Cuba kita tengok betul tak salah. Ini simbol matematik. Okay, number B. Okay, which the event already occur? Already occur.
20.
20, S greater than 20. Okay, for this one, X after the next 10
More
minutes.
than.
After the 10 minutes. Less or greater?
Greater.
Greater than the next 10 minutes. It is 20 plus 10 is 10. Okay, it is equal P greater or less?
Greater.
Greater than greater than 10. Okay, 10. Kalau 10 minutes. Okay, if you see the unit same, this 1 minute, this 1 minute, this one is minute. It is straightforward for this one. It is equal E minus 10 divided by 20. The answer is 0.6 or 565. Okay, the last question. Betul habis ni. Okay, the time. Okay, what is the value lambda?
1/2.
1/2. Kita dapat 1/2. Lambda is 1/2. Okay, the number 1. Apa dia punya question? Okay, what is the probability that the machine need a repair after 2 hours? 2 hours. Okay, this one, apa unit dia ni? Min 2. With min 2. Berapa unit ni?
In hour.
In hours, tengok make sure kalau kena pastikan make sure the unit same. This one same hours, this one hours. When the unit same, we cannot do anything. We just straightforward. It is after greater than 2. It is equal E minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. 0.37. Okay, the last one. Okay, the last one. Okay, apa dia punya, apa yang telah, which one is the already occur?
9 hours.
9 hours, given s greater than 9 hours. Okay, for this one, x. X
More than any
More
Ten.
than, more than.
more than
10.
10.
Okay.
Dia kena tambah
Plus
sini
9,
tak?
9 plus 10.
No need plus.
need.
This one, no need. This is just straightforward.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
Thank you, doctor.
okay, it is equal P S less or greater?
Greater.
Greater than
10.
10 or no, 10 or 1?
1.
1.
1. Okay, this one, okay, 1. It is very important. Kalau salah ni. You study again this one. Memory less the question like this one. It is equal E minus lambda. Lambda is equal 1/2 times 1. It is equal E minus 1/2. It is 0. Okay, finish. Okay, we finish. Okay, tomorrow we start. Try to do retest one. Okay, ada soalan? Any question for this one? Tak ada. Okay, tak ada. We stop here. Okay, see you tomorrow.
Doktor,
Okay.
saya nak tanya untuk exponential distribution, like before ni kalau kita buat latihan, contoh like soalan 8A Px more than 2. So kalau before ni kita akan buat dia 1 tolak Px less than 2. So kenapa yang kali ni kita boleh straightforward terus, doktor?
Itu kalau ni sama je ni sebenarnya. Kalau dia punya formula is ini, kalau P x less than greater A, it is equal 1 minus E minus lambda A. Kalau greater sebenarnya sama je. Greater, kalau S greater A, it is equal greater this one 1 minus Px less or equal A. Kalau tengok tolak dia akan mati. Tolak mati nak A, tolak lambda A kan. Nanti A satu sama satu boleh mati. Dia akan dapat A minus tolak lambda A.
Oh, okey doktor. Kalau dalam test straightforward je, doktor.
Boleh straightforward. Sama je, jawapan sama.
Thank you, doktor.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, after that I will give this note. Saya akan beri nota ni dalam dalam WhatsApp. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
Okay.